Hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel. If you're living in South Africa, you probably know we have few legit and reliable websites in this country to make money online. Here we are. One of the few legit websites to make money online in South Africa. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but the money you will make with us is enough to buy some bread and butter. And we are so proud to announce our first candidate to be rewarded for participating on our platform. Per Makona is the first South African citizen to be rewarded with airtime worth of 30 rands, for just suggesting a topic that she thought it would be worthwhile for other South Africans to discuss it, and share their opinions under. If you want to stand yourself a chance to be rewarded with up to 50 rands worth of airtime, please send us a topic that you suggest on WhatsApp to 060-516-9468 or click on the chat with us on WhatsApp link in the description of this video. Please greet us with your name and surname, the topic that you suggest, and all of your social media handles. With that being said, you can also stand yourself a chance to be rewarded with 200 rands in cash by sharing your opinions or story under any topic that is available on our website. Simply voice record yourself and send us the voice record or vlog on WhatsApp. We will compile your voice record or vlog with other citizens' recordings on the same topic, then we will upload it here on this channel as a video. Once the video is live, you can ask your friends, family, or your social media following to vote for you. After 7 days, the story with the highest number of votes wins 200 rands. You can start now by visiting our website and find the most suitable topic for you to share your stories or opinions under. If there's no topic that piqued your interest, you can suggest your own topic. The other exciting news is that the Get Paid to Watch YouTube videos feature will be added sooner than expected. Right now, it's on beta mode. By the 1st of August 2020 it will be fully available. And as from the 15th of August 2020, not only number 1 story will win 200 rands, also number 2 and number 3. Number 2 will be rewarded with 150 rands, and number 3 will be rewarded with 100 rands. That means your chances of winning will be a 3 out of 10. Please start sending your stories to our WhatsApp now. Who knows, maybe by September we will increase the winnings from 200 rands to 500 rands for number 1, and from 150 rands to 300 rands for number 2, and from 100 rands to 200 rands for number 3. Stay tuned and watch the space. See you on the next video. Take care.